Good morning, everyone. Hey, thanks for being here, y'all. I know the beginning of the school year is starting and there's so much to do. We got a lot of PD days. You guys are probably thinking about going into your classrooms. But I just wanted to take this PD day today, this professional development day, to talk about something that is not just a requirement, but it's a responsibility, and that's campus safety. This responsibility, it doesn't just rest on one person's shoulders, but rather it rests on all of ours together as a team. Because as Thomas Armstrong says, he reminds us that in his book Educational Leadership, that school safety starts from within. That means our mindset, our daily habits, our willingness to take action are all critical to creating a secure and responsive school environment. So let's start with shared leadership and shared responsibility. Safety leadership doesn't only come from the top. No. It's actually in the cafeterias, in the playground, and in every classroom, right? Because as the authors of the Qualities of Effective Principles point out, effective leadership is distributed. It's modeled by everyone who contributes to a culture of safety and accountability. Now, let's shift gears and talk a bit about the emergency situations. Now, we have three high priority safety situations. We got medical emergencies involving students right here. We got HVAC failures over here. And we have lockdown drills. Let's start with medical emergencies involving students. So if you see a student experiencing a medical crisis, call 911 immediately and then notify the front office and stay with that kid until emergency comes, okay? Remember, we want to keep the area calm and we want to provide first aid only if we're trained. Now, during HVAC system failures, and this can include poor air quality or extreme temperatures or just system failures, these situations can make the building unsafe. So be sure to notify the front office or me at once, okay? Leadership will then assess and communicate the next steps. This can include relocating students to a new class, or it could include initiating an early release. And as for lockdowns and drills, when the lockdown signal is issued, lock your doors, turn off your lights, move your students out of sight, and completely remain quiet. Lingreo 22 in Education Week, he points out that not all classrooms even allow doors to lock from the inside. And some of our classrooms in our campus have that issue. So this is what highlights why our awareness and our preparedness are essential. We have to do our part to compensate for the structural limitations that we have. And we have to be prepared if any of these situations arise. Now, our hope is we never have to use them, but being prepared with a plan ensures safety. Now, in regards to daily due diligence, that's over here, right? These are the simple daily routines that keep us alive. We're talking about simple practices, habits, or even patterns, like keeping all of our doors and gates closed and locked at all times. Never, and I repeat, never propping open doors or allowing unauthorized entry. If the person doesn't have a badge, they go to the front office. No excuses, no exceptions, not even nothing. And reporting mechanical or structural safety concerns promptly to Roger. Similarly, we got safety protocols for drop off, dismissal, and pickup right here. Okay, if you're on duty during these times, be sure to supervise actively, monitor traffic flow and student movement, and never, I do mean never, release a student without proper front office verification and ID. Okay, these simplistic yet highly effective steps keep our school safe and provides a peace of mind, because negligence, I apologize, often comes from inattention, but being present, visibly and mentally, during supervision, prevents incidents before they even happen. Yes, includes restrooms, recess, passing periods, and dismissal areas. And to give our parents a peace of mind, we will always strive to communicate, give clear communication to them, because clear communication is vital. So, in the case of a safety issue, we will send messages out through official school platforms like emails, phones, and websites, but we will never use social media accounts and will never spread unofficial information. So, in closing, I want to invite you to take some time and read some more about this safety brochure for additional information of our safety protocols for our school. But I also want to reiterate, safety starts with us. With consistent vigilance, shared leadership, and the right protocols in place, we can ensure that our school is not just a place to learn, but a place where everyone feels secure and supported. Thanks, guys.